these are from your actually first term and second term. Huh? So this will help you to do your third term as well, right? නියමයට කරන්න පුළුවන් right? Find the 12th term. ටක් ගාලා ලියන්න ටක් ගාලා කරන්න right? Do this with the speed. Find the 12th term of the number bank of which the general term of which one Tn equals 4n plus 1, right? So you have to find the 12th term, right? So write down this very fast and provide the answer very fast. Write the gradient and the intercept of the function 2y equals 6x plus 4. So you have to make sure that you have y equals mx plus c, right? This is from graph lesson, right? I will do the graph lesson, right? From a graph lesson because it is a second term lesson, right? So that you can have the full knowledge, right? I will do the graph lesson, so do not worry about that, right? Second question and third question. Right? Findings. What is the conclusion that can be arrived? I guess do this fast. Right, okay. Look at the word, right? Find the 12th term of the number pattern of which the general term, right? Tn means general term equals 4n plus 1. So if you want to find the 12th term, that means n equals 12. So you have to substitute n equals 12 of this, right? T12, right? T12 equals 4 times, instead of n, I am going to substitute 12 plus 1, right? 4 times 12, 48 plus 1, it gives me 49, right? Write the gradient and the intercept of the function 2y equals 6x plus 4. First of all, you need to make sure that this equation is in the form of y equals mx plus c. So that you have to remove 2 from 2y, right? So how do you remove 2y from your left hand side? 2x plus 4, right? 2x plus 4, right? So you know how to make subject as y, right? Make y as the subject, right? If you can remember the formula lesson, that is how you are going to do, right? So I am going to divide each and every term by 2, right? This term by 2, this term by 2, and this term by 2, right? 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 2 times 3, 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So that I have y equals 3x plus 2, right? So now this is in y equals mx plus c, right? M equals to positive 3, c equals to positive 2. M means gradient, right? So that you can write gradient. Gradient means m, right, equals 3, right? So intercept, 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 which is called c. Sorry, gradient is positive 3, right? This is positive 3, and gradient intercept is also positive 2, right? Right. So this is your gradient and the intercept. Y equals mx plus c. This is your graph. M is called gradient. M, intercept is called c, right? C, where the graph crosses y axis, right? It is called intercept, right? Right. Positive 3 and positive 2. Find x. How do you find x? Now here you have given 140. Now you can use the theory, right? That right, interior angles, right? Summation of the two opposite interior angles equals to the equals to the magnitude of the exterior angle, which is so formed by extending your bottom side, bottom side, right? So directly you can write. So this is your exterior angle, which is so formed by extending this side, and interior two opposite angles are for this one, this angle and this angle. So you have to get the summation of x plus 30 degrees equals 140 degrees, right? So I have done this in the class, right? So this is the exterior angle, and these are the so formed or interior two angles that you need to add. X plus 30 equals 140, right? So you have to remember that part, right? So now this is the thing that you need to find. This is the angle that you need to find the magnitude. So that I have written it first. X plus 30 equals 104, right? You can write 30 plus x equals 140, but this is good. This is the best practice. Right? You need to find x. So you need to write x in front of 30, right? X plus 30 equals, then now you can isolate x. X plus 30 minus 30. equals 140, then minus 30. Cancel out, cancel out. X is 120. Right? If a plus x equals 100 and a plus y equals 100, what is the conclusion that can be arrived? This is from the axioms lesson, right? First term, axioms lesson, right? So, if I tell you, right? If I told you the axiom, right? So, keep that in your mind. No need of remembering the axiom, right? So, quantities which are equal to the same quantity, quantities which are equal to the same quantity are equal. Quantities which are equal to the same quantity are equal. So that a plus x equal 100, a plus y equal 100. So may same quantity. This thing equals to 100, this thing equal to 100. So that we can say a plus x equals a plus y. Because a plus x is also 100, a plus y is also 100. Ne? So that we can cancel out a and a. Ne? From this side. From both sides, we can cancel out a and a. Because if you take this a to this side, it will become minus a. Right? So you can cancel out a and a. From both sides, x equals y. So this is the conclusion that you can arrive. Right? X equals y. That is the conclusion that you can arrive. You can cancel a and a because this is positive way. If you take this positive way to this side, it will become negative way. So positive way to negative way, you can cancel out, or you can cancel out directly this side and this side. X equals y. Alright. Okay, guys. So let's do some one or two questions. Now fourth one, fifth one. Simplify a to the power 2 whole thing to the power 3 times a. Simplify. Right? 6. These are from indices lesson. Find x. मेरे कंगाला कर ला. Right. So you have to use the knowledge of indices, right? Right. For this one, Pythagoras relation. So I have done it. Make Pythagoras relation. Yeah. Right. Guys, I will send you the lesson. Pythagoras relation lesson. I will send it to you so that I have done so many things, so many examples, so that you can master it. Right. So okay. So simplify a to the power 2 to the power 3, right? So by using the knowledge of indices, what is the meaning of this bracket? You have to multiply. So I will rewrite this a square to the power 3 times a, right? So how do you simplify? Multiplication. 2 multiply 3, right? Meaning of this bracket is you have to multiply. 2 multiply 3, right? So 2 times 3, a to the power 6 times a to the power 6 times a, right? Can anyone say what is the power of this A? What is the power of this A? Power of this A?
1.
Yes, 1. It is a default number, but we are not going to write. So this is 1. Right? So no need to write. By using the laws of indices, right? You can add because the base is same. A, base is same. 6 plus 1. Right? So A to the power 7 should be the answer. Right? So sixth question. How do you apply the Pythagorean relation? So what is this BC is called? This is called hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse, right? You are going to apply the Pythagorean relation, right? So you have to get the x squared, right? Which is equal to the summation of the square of the other two sides, right? So x squared equals 4 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2. X squared equals 4 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2. Right?
16 plus 9.
Right? So x squared equals 4 to the power 2 means 4 times 4 16 plus 3 times 3 means 9. Right? So x squared equals 25. Right? So I have told you when you have x squared and you are going to take this square term to your right hand side. What it would become? Right? If this 2 is gone to your right hand side, it would become the square root of 25. So you know square root of 25 is 5. Is this the correct answer or is this the full answer? No, because 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters. So you are going to find x and length of this BC is also in centimeters. So that length of x is 5 centimeters, right? So 25 can be written as 5 times 5, 5 square, right? The square root of 25 is 5. 5 centimeters is the full complete answer. Harimuti, okay. Okay, guys. Right, for today, I'm going to wind up the class from here, guys. Huh? So you have to do the homeworks and you have to send me the photo of the record book. Photo and අර මම කිව්වේ group එකක් හදලා තියෙනවා කියලා free discussion වලට right so ඒක ඔයාලගේ යාළුවන්ට පුතේ හැකියතාක් share කරන්න ඒගොල්ලන්ට කියන්න join වෙන්න කියලා so we will discuss more than 6 papers when we are going to the exam හරි එතනින් තොට we can do lot හරි so ඔයාලගේ maths part එක හොඳට strong way before you are going to grade 10 right grade 10 and 11 we have lot more things to do ගොඩක් දේවල් තියෙනවා කරන්න grade 10 වලදී so guys for today good night and stay safe right I will send the link to the group so that you can share with your friends and ask them to join and it will be a free tool right so okay if you have any questions you can clear right okay good night guys bye
Good night, sir. Bye.